A container is filled with water to a depth of 0.5 meters and is placed inside an elevator, accelerating downward at 2 meter per square second. Determine the pressure at the bottom of the container expressed in kPa. So, meron container na yung water is 0.5 meters deep, then it will be accelerated downward. So, pababa yung ating container, accelerated downward. So, tinatanong what is the pressure at the base of the container. Okay, this is a moving liquid. So, in vertical motion, the pressure at the base is gamma height. Yun yung gamma height ko pala sanang galaw. Hindi gumagalaw yung ating object. Pero since meron siyang motion or gumagalaw siya, meron siyang multiplier na factor. The multiplier is 1 plus or minus A over G. A is acceleration and G is gravity. So, meron tayong tatandaan na sign convention in acceleration and plus or minus siya. Kung yung motion is upward, it will be pass. If the motion is downward, it will be negative. Now, ang acceleration will be acceleration or deceleration. If the term is acceleration, then it will be positive. If the term is deceleration, then you will take that as negative. Acceleration sa accelerate downwards. So, therefore, gamma height muna. Gamma ng water, height is 0.5. Then 1 downward. So, that will be negative. Minus acceleration. So, positive 2. Itong sign na to is para sa motion. Itong sign na yan is para yan sa acceleration. Acceleration or deceleration. So, answer is 3.905.